India's elder care industry has long focused on metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore. But a quiet transformation is now underway in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities such as Patna, Lucknow, Chandigarh, and Coimbatore. As younger generations migrate to metros or overseas for work, many seniors remain behind in smaller cities, often living alone or with limited daily support. What was once managed within families is now becoming a pressing need for professional elder care. Nearly 70% of India's elderly population lives outside metro cities. These towns are aging faster, while awareness of home care, dementia support, and nursing services is steadily increasing. Healthcare infrastructure is improving, but home-based elder care remains largely underserved. For families, this creates a growing gap. Seniors need daily support, but reliable caregiving options are limited. This is why Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities represent the next major growth frontier for elder care in India. Expanding elder care beyond metros comes with real challenges. There is a shortage of trained local caregivers, limited medical infrastructure, and strong sensitivity to cost. Families in smaller cities need services that are affordable, transparent, and trustworthy. At the same time, this challenge presents a powerful opportunity. Caregiving can create dignified local employment for youth and women. Technology can bridge distance for NRI and migrant families. And value-added services like physiotherapy, diet planning, and dementia care can be scaled thoughtfully to smaller towns. Life Circle is addressing this gap by adapting its elder care model for Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Local youth are trained through Care Vidya Academy and deployed as professional caregivers. Care delivery is supervised by nursing care managers to ensure quality and continuity. Families stay connected through the Life Circle mobile app, which provides updates, monitoring, and transparent billing. Caregiver services start from 18,000 rupees per month, making professional elder care accessible to middle income families, even outside metro cities. Today, Life Circle operates across Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi NCR, Chandigarh, Navi Mumbai, and Noida, while building scalable pathways to expand deeper into emerging cities. Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities are no longer on the sidelines of India's elder care story. They represent the future, where affordability, local job creation, and technology-enabled care can come together to support seniors in their own hometowns. By training local youth and delivering structured home-based care, Life Circle is helping ensure that quality elder care is not limited to big cities alone. Here are what some members of our Life Circle family had to say. For more information, contact Life Circle today. Visit lifecircle.in, call 079713674041 or download the Life Circle app.